Welcome to tutorial number 1 of a series of tutorials on how to Cubeit with WaterCube. First, you need to ensure that you have loaded the Cubeit executables on your PC, along with a valid license file that is located in the same directory as your executable. If you have any problems with this step, please email techsupport@watercubedata.com. So first, we are going to explore the deliverables from WaterCube of your completed process dataset. You will want to unzip the compressed files that you have received from us. Once complete, you will then see separate folders. If you go under Aerial Images, you'll be looking at the area of interest in your river reach with the track lines from your ADCP. Next, we will take a look at the Professional folder. When you open this folder, you will see 4 different events with 4 different dates, along with some style files, which customize your views. When we go into one of the events, you will see a .lpk, which is a pre-configured file that WaterCube provides as a deliverable to get you started. Open up the LPK, and it contains an initial view of your data in the form of a digital elevation model. This view comes up automatically based on the configuration of the style file that we created for your project. You can rotate and view your complete DEM by selecting the rollerball and rotation icon. When looking at the DEM, you will notice that the water velocities are already laid into the complete topography. If you prefer to look at them separately, you can go to the Zone Styles sidebar and independently turn them each on and off. First, we'll turn off the DEM and look at your velocities. We can then look just at the DEM, turning off the velocities, and you will see your complete bathymetry. If we zoom in, you can look at certain dynamics of the surface, like a scour hole. When we turn everything back on, we'll now look at some of the data that is underneath this DEM. To dive into specific data in your elevation model, you can click on the data probe to show the data itself at any point. For instance, if probing an area on the plateau of the land, there is clearly no velocity data associated with that area. However, you do have geo-referenced coordinates of easting, northing, and elevation. When selecting an area within the river reach, you will see that the data in the sidebar changes, and you have multiple pieces of data, such as depth, velocity, and direction data, which comprise your entire volume zone. Now, we are going to take a look at a different style sheet. To view velocity contours within your DEM, you can load the pre-configured style sheet called Cross-Section Velocities. This will bring up the same view, but with various velocity profiles inlaid within the DEM. At that point, you can rotate and view your data as you wish. Now we're going to take a look at the next folder in your project, the Unlimited folder. To further interrogate your data and to see specific cross-sections and slices, you can go to this folder and select the .chprj file. It is a project file that is pre-configured for your use. This file will launch Cubeit Unlimited and provide you with an initial view of your slices. To view the data behind the slices, you will want to set your route path to the location in which you placed your data set. We've made this easy for you, as you can simply browse to the location of your data from the project menu and set your route path. By hitting the Browse button, it will take you directly to the location of your project files. Select and copy the path and place it into the folder bar. This opens with an initial view or table view of all of your velocity profiles and slices for multiple events. They are all organized by event date on the left sidebar. The data sidebar has many filters that need to be enabled. Once enabled, you can turn your events on and off as you wish. You will notice there are many additional filters that represent the columns of your table. We will dive deeper into these in a later tutorial. Now, to view your data, you can right-click on any slice. The View Data dialog box appears. You will want to load a style template for your data to be in a specific format. 2 standard templates have been provided for you by WaterCube. You will then see a velocity contour plot based on the slice selected. To enlarge it, go to View, Fit All Frames to the workspace. Now you are looking at your dimensionless velocity profile. You will now want to pull up Cubeit Unlimited sidebar by navigating to View, Cubeit Unlimited. You will notice additional labels. They are provided for you to select as you wish, such as the date of the event, center line distance, and UTM coordinates. In the next tutorial, you will learn how to customize your own views and create your own style sheets.